Now, the entry technique is one of the problems that most traders have. Now, they find it very difficult on entry. The thing is, even if you can do your analysis, after analyzing, the next thing is where to enter that trade from. Now, because after the analysis and you don't have the techniques for entering, you will discover that that market will be useless. Okay, now let's go. So if I'm to use my fib level to determine or to discover, okay, where my entry will likely be, the first thing I should do is to locate my correctional wave. Now, always remember that the correctional wave will always go against the market trend. Now, if this impulsive trend, okay, the correctional trend will always go against, you see, it's always against the impulsive. The impulsive is upward. The correctional trend will always go down, okay, because this is a bullish trend. You see, you can see the impulsive is up, correctional is down. So number one, once you have identified your correctional wave, now you pick your Fibonacci retracement. Now, if you are using trading view, you come over here, the third layer. Under the third layer, you will see Fibonacci. You see Fibonacci retracement. If you are using MetaTrader, you come over insert. Under insert, you come over object. Under object, you come over the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you pick the Fibonacci retracement and you draw. Okay, now let's go. Now, because this market is in an uptrend and I'm expecting a retracement to come down before moving up again. Correctional wave will always come against the trend. Okay, and the trend is a bullish trend. So because my correctional wave is against the trend, now my drawing should locate the high of my correctional wave, then draw it to the low of that correctional wave and mark. Now, you will notice that the retracement will fall within the golden zone. Okay, now this is my golden zone, just as indicated here. You can see the color is indicated. So this zone is called my golden zone. So I will be looking for my entry within this golden zone. Okay, if I'm using Fibonacci for my entry. Remember, you use Fibonacci when the market is trending. Just like I said, the only thing that concerns you with the market is when the market is trending. You don't have anything to do with a market that is not trending. Okay, now let's repeat the same thing here again. I start from the top, okay, to the bottom, the top to the bottom. Okay, now I mark out my golden zones. This is my golden zone. I mark out my golden zone. On your chart by default, you will see the golden zone highlighted in golden color. Look at it here. Okay, you can see the market came up, tested the golden zone here, mitigated it, and moved up. Okay, now look at it, I tested it again and moved up. So when you are making use of the Fibonacci, remember, your target should always be what? The golden zone. Your entrance should be on the golden zone, and you should be looking at the correctional wave to place your Fibonacci. Now let's look at this market. This is a bearish market, and this happens. This is my correctional move because this is impulsive. This is my correctional. So if I pick my Fibonacci, I'm going to draw from the low of this correctional to the high of this correctional wave. Now I mark out my my golden zone. Now this happened to be my golden zone. I mark out my golden zone. Now once I've marked out my golden zone, you look at it here. You notice that the market was within the golden zone. Okay. Now within the golden zone, after the golden zone, look at the move. Okay, so you always look out for the golden zone, okay, when you are using Fibonacci for your entry. So on this note, we will come to the end of today's class.